Now for this afternoon, country people them big part talk e dey tell we say waiting dirty e no fine, but we no fit overheat dirty for sika say na the same dirty e dey give manure for thing that we will plant am. I say dirty e no fine, but we no fit overheat am for sika say na so dirty e dey make thing that we will plant am e dey comot. Sango Tukumusu Kasa Achale for Boya side na he send with big part talk for this afternoon. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon again, country people them. This afternoon we go begin now with the story for inside town itself, story for Douala. Make we take una go for that side for that Fampu Dagobert market as we dey call am. Na part for central market for Douala here. Yesterday, business e no be happen. Yes, yesterday for that market, country people them, business e no be pass for that market. Now for sika say waiting. For sika say get a lock and population where they commoting them and putting them for inside motor for business people them. The vex after when they enter for inside the quarter, they say Kamamburu people them enter for inside the quarter, knock some of their combi them. For sika that one, all place e be dey quiet. No market e no open yesterday for side where they sell medicine. For sika say people they talk say any man where he try for can open in marketplace, a business place, they go show you pepper. Now for sika why that way the whole place yesterday when na Tuesday, that market people there they sell na only medicine them for that side. So for Fampu Dagobefi, just for side for central market, no one e no open. And sabi say the people they vex after when they knocks on the combi way e can't help for comot cargo for inside. The people they vex after when they knocks on the combi way e can't help for comot cargo for inside motor. Woman e talk say they don't thief 8 carton for a medicine. One time e go bring Kamamburu people them say me they can't knock that boy them. So after when they knock some of them, so they carry them go hospital. That boy then too they enter for market. They talk say no market e no go pass yesterday, and na so too all place for inside market, all place e quiet. No man in no open store. Even get set for camp for inside this side they sell medicine for that side. All place e be dey lock. I say waiting. All place e be dey lock. No business place e be dey open for inside this market side. So con people them. So as we talk now, so we see that marketplace for Douala for Fampu Dagobefi for that side. So for central market as we dey for Kasala farm side. Now so we see for Tuesday. Now so make we enter for inside story for today. We return back for that side for that market for seeing, but we first enter now for inside quarter sesep. Yes, we enter first for inside quarter for Kasala farm. Make we start do that worker. Yes, make we start do am. Now inside the house this way we enter now the places. You see that door? Now door this way Kamamburu people they can knock and broke am. Enter. Meet up person for inside house, knock am, so that boy face he high on a part that when na SSF e be dey na landlord. See another boy, now one boy this way they knock him, they take na cover beer, tete skin with them. I say they take cover beer, tete skin with them. Like that. Now gendarme people they do that work, so yeah, army people them they do the work on top the boy with the sea so country people then. Now the boy this way say so we turn back for market. We turn back for market and see whether business don't happen. Yes, today for inside market business it don't happen. People they don't open their business place them. All man it don't shut down for this. So just for tell we say as well with promise one say we get for turn back for that place. We don't turn back. And now just for tell we say promise one say we get for turn back for that place. We don't turn back. And now just for tell we say another boy with the naki. We hear say they for inside hospital. Yes, it dey for military hospital for Douala here. For that side, they say he face he don't hire up for up, and you know they even here find as well. This also talk the machine where they one look at it for inside like continue the same machine it don't spoil, so they carry it go now for military hospital. Now for they look at it now the boy room this where they be knocky, they broke it door enter for inside. Naki say native that carton the way that woman be the talk and on top that one even landlord said it be here small hot for sika say they broke it under na that. You see that boy skin no na Kamamburu people they do that work. They take cover beer, make a mark on top my skin. So now the one of the boy this way is suffer for sika that thief where it happened for that side. So for Kasala Farm, for Fampo Market, place where they sell medicine. Now the places where they sell medicine. So can the people them now, so we see that place today. Binet it don't turn back to normal for that market for Kasala, or they call and say Fampo Market where they sell business. Now so we see country people. Now so we see now so make we leave population except a talk. Ambassador no fit talk out in population is sabi plenty pass ambassador. So we will meet up power for the house, power for that boy house where they be nakam. The first thing we will ask partner say make it tell we waiting a pass for Monday, so take for Tuesday morning. Make we hear part talk.
Dans militaire them temps n'a dit doigt. Tant we don't n'a dit doigt to. Some begin before for that militaire them. Begin talk say na house for chinois. The inter for inside house. Tant we want inter for inside house no. Na me pas. Why don't grab for bet? I hope the month for one common no. Na so dan song away the common for back no. Don't say as be I don't hope the month so no. That song I give me the inter for us. Na so then the inter no. Na so dan boy the grab for bet no. Tell one grab for bet. Why hope the month for us? Na so then the inter no. Na so dan boy the grab for bet no. Tell one grab for bet. Why hope the month no. Dan.
Yes, so country people them na part that before probably one go we be try for action make it tell we waiting it don't hear concerning a land a person where she done for a house where they enter for a house naki make part tell we that one too.
That became deja now. They don't knock in for hospital general way they, but that one way param we nothing know as he don't be again. Then say na tip, then say na what you no we param we don't know. When that boy, you know the hamburger, you know the talk, you know the make nothing. They don't go to say then go look for inside some appareil. That appareil where they go look, then say that appareil for la continue, it don't spoil. Some time me are for me to grab. They say they don't tell if for garnison militaire. Me are there, no one that are not there for me. If you go for garnison military.
Na part that way be landlord for that picky way the naki for sikasi the talk say it if carton them for medicine will be held for come out for inside motor. That will be enter for market for that side, so for that Fampo Market will be meet up another Binet person where say we don't can open his store. We'll be try for ask and whether if Binet is the pass and waiting is the pass for inside the market. Make we hear it.
Fine, the money. But yesterday, we don't get many problems. Yesterday, sweetly, we no sell. But since the money, we don't open. Because for Wednesday, we get for open for 10 o'clock. Because now the way that they sweep all place. But today, all people where they sell for market day. And we they sell. We don't start sell. No problem, no day again.
So what will happen for Tuesday? Waiting the one that maybe people they do now.
We don't see police. We don't go see chief of quarter. We don't discuss. They don't promise say they go try for heavy for work for good condition and security. For work for good condition and security.
Yes, so now one Binet mandate where SSF no be open yesterday, but today he don't open his store now for talk setting and don't start to happen small for inside that market where they call them say Fampo Market and a place where they sell medicine them for inside Central Market. Now so we go enter for another story. We left that chapter for that market. We enter for this chapter for this Mbanga we a big man for that side. So for gendarme where they look out road for side for Nilong. They bring them for a office. Story we enter for we hear this Mbanga one at the sea and so they say now some Okada man he carry him for a bag. As well the Okada he gets some small fall. He fall for them. He left Okada with bag we carry and so other one they bring them. They can get them for big man for inside this gendarme way the lookout road. And as so the talk this bag from Banga now 100 kilogram according to which way they tell we according to which one at the sea and 100 kilogram for Banga where they catch them. Okada man says he don't run enter for Sosongo. They never sabi way Okada man he don't run enter. So big man for gendarme way the lookout road for Nilon side. He don't talk say they go burn this Banga. They go keep am for some side burn them so that they go continue for make investigate for catch the Okada man says way he be the carry the Banga. As so I tell them Okada man he don't run enter for Sosongo. So for inside Tori for this afternoon, since we the talk chapter for gendarme, make we take una go for quarter where they call am say Sodikombo. Now for that side where they call am say Pekatres. Now for the way new gendarme it don't enter, but road for reach for that gendarme place na different level. I say road for enter for that new gendarme place where they for that side for Sodikombo na different level. And as well the flag for Cameroon, it the fly for air. Now so to the population, it the glad plains. Say they don't put them gendarme place for inside. Now so to the population in the glad plains, say they don't put them gendarme place for inside Sodikombo side. And now so to with the here say for this chapter for this gendarme we don't turn up for them. Plenty people they be used for work for that side for Peka or Peka 9, Peka 8, Peka 11, Peka 10, Peka 12, Peka 13, all corners so they don't run commode. But problem for this other brigade place or gendarme na the road. And even motor self, the new brigades in no get them. Yes, new brigades in no get motor. So they get problem for road. When rain is fall, the one can report even thief man. They no feel run come up for outside for go catch the thief man. For sika say road iwowo. So all the one so chapter for road and chapter for waiting, chapter for motorway they no get them. Now all the thing then that way the worry this new brigades where they don't just put them for inside quarter for Sodikombo. But population they glad for sika say since where the thing enter for inside the quarter, since brigade for gendarme enter for the quarter, thief people themselves they don't run enter for Sosongo. They work now for different side them. Yes, they work now only for different side them. So con the people then. So the Combo people they now so they fit start sleep with all their two eye then lock. But the problem I say when rain dey fall, they call gendarme people then they no go fit run come out catch thief man. They no get motor. Road self iwowo for enter for them na trouble. Make we hear them talk.
Just now we dey sleep and we no get problem again. Now that's all road. If I answer them fix we roads. Now ultimately we find that. Them be tip for them be handball we and a bounty. But for how brigade don't come, we know they hear advancing again. Yes, we got a problem for road just now. We don't want to say them fix we roads.
We are very glad because this brigade bring plenty change for this quarter. Because you know before the chief. The chief we did for here plenty. But not today, all things go at the worker. I think pass here for 2 o'clock for night, 3 o'clock.
Yes, so now people then.
I think pass here for 2 o'clock for night, 3 o'clock.
Yes, so now people then that for that side so for Sodikombo for Peka 13, Peka 13, they glad for new brigades where they don't put on for the but the people themselves. Where the year say they no get motor for even go catch some of the people them when they can't report for them. We go enter for Palava for social amenity in Njombe side. Now place we enter for the fine town when we look am. Even for outside, a fine. But the people they suffer. I say Njombe people them they suffer. For drink water, na different thing for Njombe people. I say Njombe people that water where they see and they wash for inside. Now the same water way they do waiting, they carry and go drink for house. Now the same water they go use and cook. Now the same water they go use and wash clothes. Water for tap it don't go holiday. Yes, water for tap it get public holiday for that side for Njombe. For Sika that one population they get for enter for truck fine water ton fine place where they go see some place where it look like say na tank it dey where they fit turn up for line for carry water. But if you come late to trouble dey for your back. See mommy the trouble. Now only people there they get borehole and so like the one. Now then they hear fine. For Sika say when borehole it cancel they flop that their tank, people they turn up for line buy water. I say buy water, but the one the way they no fit buy am. Who side they go? Now for that water with toilet, it enter. Water with they wash, it enter. Water with any man they can't do his own kind of thing them. It's only for inside. They will go carry that water, drink am. Water they wash clothes for inside, picking they wash for inside, all thing. So in Njombe people they talk say make people then where they don't touch chair, she don't find. They say time for vote the camp. Maybe she don't find for touch that chair. For Sika say they want water. Water na tiwe papa God don't give for Njo. So make they no make people they suffer. Tap them, they dey public holiday. They don't deny say water no go come out for inside their skin. So by force public holiday for tap them for inside public holiday. They don't deny say water no go come out for inside their skin. So by force public holiday for tap them for inside Njombe. Make ambassador no talking one. People them from Njombe na help talk.
We not get water for here. We will suffer for water because water for Sine no dey comot. But that one water no dey. All man dey go na from Boale. That one from Boale dey give we sick. Typhoid, paludism. Can all the time you dey bring, you dey shin abroad. You dey peace begin the peace brought. Jombe plenty. And a fountain and a from Jombe. If I say you go from Boale, I tell you to go from Boale. Every day na for doctor. What you begin there, what you use yourself.
Now 2 months this all day for suffer. All day for purpose suffer, where mommy is there for suffer, we are picking all we there for suffer because water no day. Go carry water from Boale. Boale na son river. We dey for we from Jombe, other one at down there. Now water where people do wash inside and now water where you know fine. People don't build house all around that river. They don't dig land tree all around. Water for that land tree go down inside that water, and that water we drink, and that water they wash and that water you all treat them after people dey sick.
Yes, so now so life in the waka for side where they call them saying Jombe country people them. Now so make we enter for inside Palava for this sick, we enter for health. Palava this way they call them say polio. For true, polio nothing way no fine. Yes. I say polio, nothing way, no fine. And now for Sika wider way, minister for Palava sick people them, he don't decide. Say me they do waiting. Make picking they get polio this thing for their skin. If we enter for that Palava for polio, we go take una, we go talk that chapter for polio, maybe another time when we meet up for this side. Now, so make we enter that chapter for polio, maybe another time when we meet up for this side. Now, so make we enter for Toriwe newspaper they talk this afternoon. Country people them, Toriwe newspaper they talk this afternoon. Make we enter for inside that Toriwe newspaper they talk. The guidance post we dey for outside this morning time. Editing us some correct story for that side. Say 2 Ambazonia people them, head boy them, they be catch them with Siseko, Ayuk Tabi and Ikombi them. They don't let them, they don't go. How that one happen? Now for the guidance post, we don't tell me for inside this morning time. Another question where the guidance post the ask them, they ask and say waiting. Plan the day for up for carry Chuluma, go for Asa country for go Likoti. Now the big question that way the guidance post, it ask them as we the Oga Isa Chuluma Bakarim, they say his skin, no they fine. Normalization committee says they don't give them 6 months for continue for work for inside Fekafoot. Other to read the day, we will go read them for inside the guidance post. Nouvelle expression today for outside this morning time, con the people them. La nouvelle expression it day for outside this morning time. Make we enter for see where to nouvelle expression get them. Nouvelle expression palava for Norways and Southways. Percy with the success farm say na SSF it don't help these people the way they do they do this palava for Norways and Southways. Now a photo that when nouvelle expression is showing for this early morning time. So for inside nouvelle expression you fit Shidon, you read other to read them where they try for tell you say plenty people them they don't die for Sika waiting 2,000 people they don't die for inside chapter for public health are sick. Now for enter for inside nouvelle expression for Sabi other one the way they take pass. Messages to a day for outside this today. Messager a day for outside. They tell we say UDM. A day one and say make it she don't A1 and Minister for Palava Sport SSF he don't deny. So for inside the messager you go read Toriwe talk out say Philemon Yang. He don't talk from Gomna people. So for inside the messager you go read Toriwe talk out say Philemon Yang. He don't talk from Gomna people them for common for outside. May they look out now. FIFA SSF he don't give another 6 months for normalization committee for continue for doing work inside Fekafoot. Messager it gets order to read them. Now so make we enter for inside the last newspaper we dey for outside. Today we will look at mutation we dey for outside today. So we na number 2 day or number 3 day. E determine waiting palava mash we teacher them they be make yesterday for Yawinde. Teacher they ask na that waiting money when governor they pay them and for same governor he give them he integrate them inside normal governor work and all the one and so will be happen as well then to the report for the Tory say waiting normalization committee 6 months for them for continue for work for say make them for country it go only for before. Now the tori them that's where we get am for now for this afternoon, country people them. Even as we confusion dey inside Batibo, we dey salute all people them for inside Batibo this afternoon. Ma prof, as I be say the ever look tori anyhow we dey be. Even Captain Amugu we dey for Gendarme place for Batibo side. We dey salute all na this afternoon for this side for Douala. Bon appetit for people that dey on top table. Ambassador go meet up una tomorrow for morning time. Make una hold am tight.